I don't go to school on Sundays. To'g'ri topdingiz. Bugun biz sizlar bilan present simple'ni negative, ya'ni inkor shaklini ko'rib chiqamiz. Tayyormisiz? Let's go. Hi again. We'll talk about present simple, the negative form. Subject: I. Auxiliary: don't. Verb: drink. Object or phrase: tea. Endi keling. Subject bu ega, xabarlar bor bunda. Auxiliary yordamchi fe'l. Negative qilmoqchi bo'lsak, don't qilamiz. Mana bu egalarga va asosiy fe'l drink. Misol uchun, I don't drink tea. Men choy ichmayman. You don't drink tea. We don't drink tea. They don't drink tea. Endi mana bu don't fe'ldan oldin keladi, yordamchi fe'l. Endi sizlarga savolim bor. Hammasiga he, she, itlarga ham don't qo'yamizmi? To'g'ri topdingiz. He, she, itlarga don't emas, balki doesn't. He doesn't eat food. She doesn't eat food. It doesn't eat food. O'zi aslida don't, do not. Nimaga qisqartiramiz? Chunki buni boya ham, oldinlari ham aytib o'tganman. Inglizlar qisqartirishni juda ham sevadi va ular qisqartirib gapirishni juda ham yoqtirishadi. Shuning uchun qisqartirib tashlashadi. Ayniqsa bu spoken, ya'ni og'zaki nutqda juda ham ko'p uchraydi. Hozir siz orqamdan qaytaring. Do not, don't, does not, doesn't. Keling endi o'rganganlarimizni amalda sinab ko'ramiz. Here we have got the sentence. Bu yerda bizda gaplar bor. Change them to negative. Siz bularni negativega o'zgartiring. Pause the video and do the exercise. I hope you paused the video and did the exercise. Now, let's check it together. First one. I don't play football every weekend. I don't. She doesn't drink coffee in the morning. They don't eat meat. He doesn't live in New York. We don't watch TV at night. My brother doesn't read books. Nimaga brotherga doesn't qo'ydik? Savol sizlarga. To'g'ri topdingiz. Brother bu he, he-ga esa doesn't. You don't like pizza. If you did it well, congratulations. Agar yaxshi bajargan bo'lsangiz, tabriklayman. Agarda siz tushunmayotgan bo'lsangiz, oldingi mavzularni ham va bu mavzuni ham qaytadan ko'rishni tavsiya qilaman. Agar siz uchun video foydali bo'lgan bo'lsa, like and subscribe. See ya.